All right, so you're curious what's going on in Martin County. There's some interesting numbers here. We're going to go over Q2, second quarter 2024, second quarter of 2025, and comparing what's going on here. Some interesting stuff happening with Martin County. Let's show you. So Martin County, what we have here for Q2 of 2024, we went from 584, we went down to 532. So we're down 8.9% in units closed, those single family homes. Now the paid in cash went from 336, big drop down to 262. So that's down 22% for the cash coming into Martin County for single family homes. Now, this is looking promising. So we went from 605,000 for the median sale price up to 615,000 for the median sale price. That's up 1.7%. So hoorah, Martin County. Average sale price also went up. It went from $1,024,000 to $1,070,000, and that's up 4.5. So looking good in Martin County as far as the appreciations. But we start to dig into this a little bit further, and it looks a little bit ugly. We went from 598 million to 569 million for the total volume. This is the total amount of money coming into single family homes in the county for that second quarter, and it was down 4.8%. So pay attention to that. New listings coming on the market, less listings came on the market. So that's a good thing. We went from 753 to 694. So this is kind of healthy, but we did see a month supply of inventory go up. We almost went into a buyer's market here. So we went from 4.5 in Q2 of 2024 to 5.9 in Q2 of 2025. So we're up 31% for that inventory on the market. So just about going into a buyer's market. So now let's take a look at the condo and villa and townhome market. Q2 of 2024 in county went from 312 units down to 270 units. So they're down 13% in Martin County for those units sold. Paid in cash went from 194 to 163. So we're down 16%, not as much cash coming into the county. This is really interesting. So the average sale price went up 13%. So it went from 1,000 to 405,000, and that's up 13%. So that's pretty good. Dollar volume, it went down a little bit from 112 million, and that's a total money coming into the county in that quarter. Went down to 109 million. So we're down 2.2% there. Now the new listings coming on the market, this is something that we like to take a look at. We went from 443 down to 375. So it's looking like those new listings coming on the market is not as much as it was obviously in Q2 of 2025. Now, lastly, this is where it gets a little bit ugly here. We went from 6.2 months of inventory to 9.3 months of inventory. So we're up 50%. So it's really amazing to me still that the values are still holding up, given that the more inventory is coming on the market. I really would have thought. Now, the median sale price is down, but that average sale price is up. So it's almost a wash there. It's just amazing to me that that much inventory could come on the market. So what do you think? It tells us basically that Martin County looks a little bit more resilient. The average sale price and the median sale price seem to wash out there. And ultimately, the big thing that I'm seeing here, especially in the condo market, is that 50% increase in values. I'd like to hear from you. Do you think Martin County is a little more buffered than, say, St. Lucie and Palm Beach County? I'd like to hear from you. So drop me a comment below, or even if you like the content, drop me a like. We'll see you on the next video.